I cheat. I steal every good idea from the past that there is. And so we have 3 architects on staff. We do draw up our own details and things like that, but every single one of them is based on an historic precedent. So part of the idea of these books is there's so much good stuff in the past. You don't have to be a creative genius, right, to come up with good ideas. Building techniques, style, just quality of material are all things that inspire us to build things today. So we're, borrowing from the past to do great design today. No, I'm excited to be at the show. I'm excited to share with remodelers opportunities for them to really have a great business. Hey, the cameras are running. Let's go. Romeo is going to be 6 in November. He's my pal. He comes to work every day. He is spoiled rotten, gets a lot of attention, but he's a fun friend to have around the office.